Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. If you're new here, I am Mareisa Marshall, and in today's video I'll be making moringa soap. So these are moringa leaves. So I now came from picking some moringa leaf. I have a couple inside. And I'm going to now pluck these leaves. Well, I usually dry them for the powder, but today I'm going to use the microwave and dry some of the leaves. And I'm going to, anyhow, I don't want to have too much. As I go along making this soap, I'm going to show you guys. So sit back and relax and let's make this moringa soap. Mwah. So right now I'm plucking the leaves, the moringa leaves off the branches. After plucking the leaves, I'm going to wash them now. You see the third wash. You don't want any mass or any stuff to be on your leaves, so you got to wash them properly. Now I'm blending my leaves because I'm going to dispatch my content of lye solution. So I'm going to pour this in my batter when I'm making the soap. So I'm going to blend this until all is all mashed up. If you have a blender, you can pour it in the blender, which will be much better. But I don't have a blender at the moment, so I have to use my stick blender. So I'm going to go ahead with this, then we'll be back. I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to show you guys the next step. I'm going to put it to rest a little, 2 minutes or 5. I'm now going to pluck this set of moringa leaves and I'm going to put it in the microwave because I want to put like a little powdered moringa in my soap. So I'm going to go ahead and plucking these off, all the leaves, and then in the microwave. In the meantime that my moringa leaves are in my microwave, I'm going to measure my oils, and I'm going to measure my olive oil now. Now I'm going to measure my coconut oil. This is moringa puree that I've blended and put in the fridge to freeze. So I'm going to use this puree to throw my nylon. So I'm going to do the measurements now. I'm now going to measure my lye, also known as caustic soda. So right now I'm going to put my caustic soda, also known as lye, slowly on my puree. Okay, I'm going to spin this until all the particles are dissolved. When dealing with lye, I always wear safety goggles. I always put on your glove and all that stuff. Cover your eyes because you don't want this to go in your eye. Lye can burn your skin. Some people use vinegar, but if I ever get burned from the lye, I usually like put my hand under the water for a little 2 minutes or so, and it will be fine after, but you have to wash it immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this until all these particles and my lime crystals are dissolved. Now that everything is all dissolved, I'm going to set this aside and go to the next step. I'm now going to strain my moringa. These are the leaves that I've blended earlier. I'm taking out a measurement, certain amount of measurement. So these are my moringa leaves after I took them out the microwave. I'm going to just like scrunch them into like a powder form like. As you can hear, they're very dry and crispy. So I'm going to go ahead and yeah. So I'll be back as I go about doing this. So this is what I was looking for. I'm going to pour this in my soap directly. So let's get to the soap making. So the first thing I'm going to do is give my oils a little stick blending so that the coconut and the olive oil could combine together. So just a small little stick blend I'm going to do right now. So now I'm going to trim my moringa. This is the one that I've blended. Now I'm going to throw in my leaves, the powder form. I'm going to go ahead and go right in so they could see like it fine. Yeah, so after my soap cure, these fine moringa leaves usually leaves inside of it. It usually looks so lovely. Yeah, so right now I'm going to pour in my lye solution. And I'm gonna blend this until it comes to trace. So my soap is almost reach trace. It have a thin traces when you put the blender on top and you see like that pudding like. So this can pour now, but I'm gonna continue blending until it come in a little more thicker. So now that my soap has come to trace, I'm now going to pour it in my mold. So I'm now going to pour my soap in the mold. So here is the result of my moringa soap. I'm just putting a little design on top of it. It's sweeter than in person than from that video, man. Not true? Yeah, I think the video isn't giving it this look it have in person. The soap is such a beautiful soap, and you're seeing all the leaves between of it, and as it cure, you'll be seeing the leaves inside of it. It's lovely. Look. So that's the result of my Moringa soap. I'm going to leave it for 24 hours, or sometime it usually get hard before 24 hours. So tomorrow I'm going to cut that soap. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate you guys so much, and see you guys on my next video. Love you guys, and I'm out. Mwah. Bye.